Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling.And today, let's talk about something that I always talk about in the beginning. 一开始每次这个单元呢，我们会自我介绍，对不对？都会跟名字有关啊。今天呢，我想顺便问问 Alice 啊，我从来不知道我的名字，中文名字哦，林哲修，客家话怎么说，对不对？先不要跟我讲，我们先教一下大家比较这个简单的东西哦。
OK
常常我们都会问人家姓什么？请问你贵姓？A lot of times we like to go out and we meet people and then we're going to ask people, what is your name? But in Chinese, a lot of times we say, what is your last name? 是比较 polite 一点哦，所以就会说，你好，请问贵姓？
好，松香。
就这样啊
？Yeah，
4个字啊。
好，就是你好。
Wow, the Hakka are very efficient with only 4 characters. It did it. 好，
松香，
松香，
对，
松香就是贵姓哦。
对。
哦 ，OK， 松香，如果你连你好都不讲，松香，这样子
松香
就知道了哈。好像要送什么东西啊？送香，那不好。对，要知道说你是哈卡人才可以哦。好 ，So， 好，松香
，Yeah，
that means how are you? What is your last name? And of course, your last name could be Lin, or it could be Peng. So you would say 我姓林。
矮香林
哦，矮香林，
林要闭嘴哦。矮香林
哦，那跟广东话林一样哈。矮香林 ，OK, that's my last name is Mr. Lin. 那
矮香庞
彭 that's Alice's last name. 矮香庞，OK. So that was asking what's your last name. If you want to say what's your full name, 请问这个贵姓大名？
松香太苗。
再加一个胎苗，that means your full name. 松香胎苗
，Yeah.
那如果是这个海陆腔怎么说呢？
松香太苗。
松香太苗 Okay, you go upwards with that tone right there with a different dialect. And finally, Alice, go ahead, teach me how to say 林哲修。
林哲修。
有夠阿雜嘅感覺咧。
不會啦，好啦。
你做阿雜哦，林雜修。
沒雜哦。雜。
真的很雜。雜。林雜修。
Yeah.
There you go. So next time I can say, Hello, 你好，大家好，我係林雜修。
Yeah.
There you go. I'm going to do that next time. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
漢字say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.